503 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 503. Therefore, 503 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 16.5026246718 feet. So, in other words, 503 centimeters equals 16.5026246718 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.